Hi there guys, hopefully you're all doing well. I've had a surprise visit off a long lost car that I used to own, which was featured on the channel roughly when I first started going on YouTube. It is the Fiat Coupe that I painted, got to be 5-6 years ago now. It was the first car I ever tried to paint. So let's see how it's holding up. Bear in mind, this was literally the first car I ever painted. I didn't know really anything about painting. All I had was advice off some friends and watched a few YouTube videos. It has changed a little bit over the last few years. The customer who bought it has changed the interior. If you remember, it had a lovely tan interior with tan carpets, but he has dyed the carpets, as you can still see the old colour showing through there, and fitted a nice interior from another car. You know, that change is down to anybody's personal preference, which anybody is allowed to have. But the one thing I really don't like his choice of is where he's put the number plate. He's put it on the bonnet. Now again, personal preferences, but I really don't like it. It needs to be back lower on the front of the car where it should be, because it ruins the whole front end of the car being there. If you agree, leave comments down below. If you disagree, then let me know as well. He has changed the wheel colour to a matte black, which I think looks pretty good. My personal preference would have been gloss black. The actual paintwork, considering it was my first ever job, is actually still holding up pretty well. There's a couple of little areas where I could have maybe done a little bit better, but you're looking at it now to how I looked at it 5 years ago. The one thing that has happened is it looks like the paint has shrunk here. Maybe my mixture of too much thinners maybe in the paint has made it crack over the years, but that's really the only sort of major defects I can see. The rest of the car is actually looking pretty well. So how come it's back with me, you say? Well, the customer who, I think it was down London way, bought it. I delivered it to him 5 years ago now. He's owned it ever since, not done many miles in it. He's looked after it, kept it really nice, which he obviously has. He decided it was time for it to move on, and a nice lady from Walsall has actually bought it. So it's been in with me today to have an MOT, which is passed with flying colours. She's coming to collect it today, and it's going to be back in a few weeks to have a little bit of work done to it to bring it up to scratch again. So that was just a quick little video this week. So back to normal routine, hopefully next week with a more long format video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.